We are at the MGM Grand Tower, floor 27, room 217. First time look. As you walk in, the bathroom is going to be on the left. Does have a single sink. Not a huge fan of the single sinks, but it does have a couple amenities such as some Kleenex. Does have your blow dryer down there. A couple racks with towels on them. I do like this, how the toilet is separate from the tub. Little wall art right there. Very small tub and shower combo. Not a huge fan of this style, but I do like the backdrop. Now let's head into the living area. Right here is going to be a closet. Does look like you have your ironing board, a couple hangers, an iron up there. Then right here you do have your big mirror so you can check yourself out before you go to the strip. This is the 2-queen room. I haven't checked out the view. You do have a little dresser right here, 2 drawers. There is your electronic safe down below right there. And of course you do have your remote, your lamp. It does have a plug on the lamp, little alarm clock, and then you do have your phone. This is the 2-queen room. A nice 42-inch flat screen television. You have a few drawers right here. And then here's going to be all your ports, your USB, your plugins, all those ports right there. Of course, that's going to cost you a little bit of money. You do have a stocked mini fridge. Obviously, anytime you grab anything out of there, it's going to cost you. You have your trash can. No bags. I don't know why there's no bags in none of these trash cans, but no bags. And then, of course, you have your little work desk. 2 chairs and a little side table. There's mom over there. It does look like a pretty cool view. Obviously it's not like a strip view, but you can see Planet Hollywood right across the street. So, and then you do see Hilton Grand Vacations right over there. So it's a pretty cool little area. I do like the view. It's not too bad. This did cost me $100 Super Bowl weekend. I did use my employee discount and I did get the room quite a bit in advance, like about 2 months in advance. So this is what you're gonna get Super Bowl Sunday in Las Vegas. Make sure you subscribe if you like these kind of room tour videos. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave a comment your experience at MGM Grand Tower rooms. Love you guys.